Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to simplify the algebraic expression displayed on the screen. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formulas for binomial squares. A plus minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus minus 2ab plus b squared. When I apply the formulas to each binomial square, this expression equals to 1/10 x squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times 1/10 x squared multiplied by 0.2 y squared plus 0.2 y squared in parentheses squared plus 0.2 x squared in parentheses squared minus 2 times 0.2 x squared multiplied by 1/10 y squared plus 1/10 y squared in parentheses squared. When I simplify further, I get 1/10 squared or 1 over 100, which is 0.01 x to the fourth power, plus I have 2 times 0.2, which is 0.4, divided by 10 is 0.04 x squared y squared, plus 0.04 y to the fourth power, plus 0.04 x to the fourth power, minus I have 2 times 0.2, which is 0.4, divided by 10 again. I get 0.04 x squared y squared. Plus, I have 1/10 squared, or 1 over 100, which as a decimal number is 0.01 y to the fourth power. Next, I need to add all like terms. I have 0.01 x to the fourth power and 0.04 x to the fourth power. When I add these two numbers, they equal to 0.05 x to the fourth power. Then I have these two terms, which is the same term with opposite signs, therefore their sum equals to 0 and they cancel out. And then I have these two terms, which when I add, I get plus 0.05 y to the fourth power. And if I'd like to write this as fractions, I can convert 5 over 100 and reduce is equals to 1 over 20, or this expression also equals to 1/20th x to the fourth power plus 1/20th y to the fourth power. I can't simplify this expression further, therefore it's the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.